Hi, I'm Daniele Sileri. I'm the CEO of Blockchain Studios, which is a joint venture within 3 different companies, all based in Hong Kong. We have expertise in blockchain development, VR, and gaming. And our first project is called CryptoCarz. CryptoCarz is a VR racing game where all the assets are non-fungible ERC-721 tokens on Ethereum.
Hello, my name is Tara from Wemerge, investment strategist in blockchain. And I am here today with Daniele. Hello, Daniele. From CryptoCarz, one of the portfolios that we invested in. And he is here to tell us more about what they do and also the unique selling point. Could you share with us a little bit about CryptoCarz?
Absolutely. CryptoCarz is a car racing game, and it uses ERC-721 non-fungible tokens for asset ownership. So all the assets in the game, like the cars, all the components that you can use to customize, like the engine, the wheels, they're all ERC-721 non-fungible tokens sitting on the Ethereum ledger. Also, we use VR technology to give immersion in the game and make the user feeling, inside like a real car while racing.
Sounds very exciting. What pain points does CryptoCarz aim to reduce, and also what value are you creating?
So one of the main problems about gaming in general nowadays, that 80% of the gaming revenues come from selling in-game assets, and the gamers have very little rights on the digital assets they buy. So tokenizing in-game assets as non-fungible on the blockchain, we give true ownership of the items that people buy. So you can actually transfer, you can trade them, you can gift them, you can rent them, you can do whatever you want. You don't have to stand to the rules that the gaming company is giving you on how you can use your assets. Also, blockchain technology gives possibility to create new gaming modes, a new way to interact with the games that are not possible without smart contracts. For example, you can have a rental smart contract where you can rent your asset to somebody else who wants to use it just for a temporary period. You can have interoperability between games, so you can use for example a car from our game inside another game or vice versa. So you have a sort of a cross-pollination within different game and platform, which is very powerful synergy that can help a lot as well the longevity of the game. You can actually reuse assets you bought in a game in other games, so it makes them be used for longer.
And what is your vision for CryptoCarz in the future?
So our aim is to build immersive game, leveraging blockchain, as I explained before, to give the gamer the full ownership and create new gaming modes and situation. And we believe that VR will pick up steam more and more. In fact, we already have developed a full VR showroom that we built with Unreal, with our high definition car. We just recently closed our partnership with Wax for trading in the platform and using for gamers interoperability. And we do have an MVP where the car can be already used for drag racing inside the Decentraland. And in fact, Decentraland is our second partner. We just closed a partnership, so part of the game will be built on the Decentraland platform as well.
And what do you think is the future of NFTs and blockchain gaming?
So I think NFTs have been used so far as crypto collectibles. That's how they're called as well. So the first project that came out like CryptoKitties less than a year ago have been using NFTs just as collectible items. So they mostly sit in a wallet, they can be collected, but they're not very interactive. So after a while, we believe the interest in this kind of project will die off a bit, and other projects that will use NFTs functionally inside the game will pick up. That's why we're trying to fill the gap. So the tokens, the non-fungible tokens in CryptoCarz will have actual functional use in the game, where users can actually use them for racing. They can customize them, they can trade it, they can change color on the skin of the car, and that gives a lot of much more interaction with the user and gets the engagement is much higher. I mean, other action like the crafting, where you can take different items from potentially different game and craft them together to create the unique items that didn't exist before. This is combining many different mechanisms, like a little bit of RPG and the racing and collectabilities. Lots of different dynamics combined together is where different new games are gonna make a difference. Thanks everybody and Wemerge for having us. Please follow us on Twitter and Telegram or CryptoCarz.io, and we will have good news to announce soon. Thank you.